Good morning, day 2. I think it's like 5:45 in the morning, I think. And I've been watching Lindy. Oh my gosh, Lindy Glenn on what sold this month. Her video went up on YouTube this morning. I've been also watching the planes here, guys. It is so awesome. This, if I ever stay here again, I will definitely ask for a room that faces the airport. Because it is so neat. You just like, oh, there's one taking off. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see that one. Okay, so anyways, I need to get ready. I took everything out yesterday to prep for my makeup stuff and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and take a shower, and then I'll be right back. I wanted to show you really quickly the empty pools. Well, they're cleaning them. You could see the maintenance crew cleaning out the pools. I've never stayed in Vegas in a hotel like this, like in a resort hotel. I've never. In a little bit, all this is going to be packed. This is the hallway of the Mandalay Bay.
It's like the Shining.
Butterfly wings. It has more over here. My husband says this is like from the movie, The Shining.
See? It's like little girls that are in there.
Whatever.
The twins.
There's more over here. It's a nice place. Okay. That's cute, huh? That key.
The key.
It's like warped.
See that?
Really nice.
Like if you saw someone running down with a clown mask or something right now.
With the clown mask coming at you right here? Yeah. You're crazy.
Look at it.
I know.
It's never ending.
I know. Like mirrors.
Yes.
Smoke and mirrors. Go have some breakfast and see what I can learn. All right, guys, be back.
We will get the show on the road in just 5 minutes.
Hey, eBay sellers, how we doing? Come on, I know it's early, it's Las Vegas. We're all here
Okay, my friends, we are back at the hotel for day 2. Gotta show you the plane. There it is. Much clearer day today. I don't know if that's coming up. There it is. Much clearer day. Yeah, but it's much clearer. Yesterday was really, really cloudy. And today is nice. Yeah. So I just want to touch base real quickly before I jump in the shower and get all this off of me. I am wiped out, people. We went to all of the workshops that we could go today. Like, we were in one after another, after another, after another. Also, I was interviewed for the eBay podcast, which I was coerced, people. I was coerced.
You did good.
Somebody coerced me. And so did the, we were at the eBay community seller booth expo, and he was taking in, you know, he would talk to you about the community and how to, you know, be with other sellers, and it's just a big eBay community. But he was also in charge of the appointments for the podcast interview, and he happened to have one available within the 15 minutes, you know, that I was there, and I went ahead and went for it. I have a picture here for you. But yeah, I did that. It was actually quite fun. I was nervous, but he was the interviewer was very, very nice. I mean, I think he knows a lot. You know, there are people like myself who get a little nervous, so he knows how to calm you down. But it was nice. It was nice. I don't know when it's gonna air. I think they let you know when it airs or something like that.
Did you get to tell him the name of your store and all that?
Yeah. Yeah, I think he had it already in the computer.
Oh,
okay. When I sat down, he already knew my first name. He knew my last name.
Oh.
He knew everything, and then he actually looked at my badge, and yeah, I guess to verify that it's you that's sitting there. It was so nice, guys. I am so happy that I did this. I'm trying to not get a glare for you. I am so happy that I decided to do this. Seriously, I've learned a lot. There is more to eBay than I hadn't. I mean, I know eBay's huge, and I know they're global, and I know that, you know, there's a lot to it, but to see it broken down into these workshops and sections, and to see what's coming up in eBay was just amazing. Today in the general session, I will tell you, at the general session, we met the CEO, we met vice presidents of certain areas, but it was so nice at the general session. It was just a lot of good information about eBay protecting their sellers, about eBay wanting the buyers to have the best experience with each individual seller, but also for that the seller feels protected, and that eBay has our back. And there's a lot of things now that in the buyer abuse section that buyers can no longer do, and it'll be automatically enforced. It's like an automatic thing where the seller doesn't have to necessarily step in. The only thing the seller has to do is start the ball rolling and be protected. It's really, really neat. I think that was the biggest.
Well, that, and then the, like, buyers, like, if they get a warning, and then basically they can eventually get
warned. You know, they get like sellers get warned. We get warnings. You know, if we violate something, we get warned. You know, things like that. And buyers will now then be warned as well. So that's really, really neat. I think it's just a balance. I think that's what I like about where it's going and the direction it's going, that the balance between seller protection and also buyer protection, because I'm a buyer on eBay too. You know, I am a buyer. I'm not just a seller. And I like the way that's going in that direction. It's really, really amazing. I really enjoy it. I had so much fun today. We met so many people from all different walks of life who share how they started their business, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. But right now we're going to eat. My husband's waiting to eat, and I'm going to just take all this stuff off. Tomorrow's going to be another field day, hon? A lot of workshops.
Not so much.
Not as much. We hit most of them today, huh? So that tomorrow's agenda is not going to be quite as boom, 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 boom.
No, it won't be.
I don't think I could put any more information
There's
in
some
this spring.
workshops that you don't need.
Yeah, there's some workshops that at the level that I'm at. Go ahead, honey. Start at the level that I'm at, huh? Like the taxes and things like that. I don't need to worry about it. So there are some things that I don't really need. Also, for a lot of people who have these replenishable items where they're getting a lot of replenishables, there's going to be like options for them to have like eBay take care of their warehouse for them. Kind of like Amazon, but not. And they were very specific about the shipping and things like that. But it's just really, really neat to see where the direction is going with eBay, and it seems to be really, really nice, really, really good. Yeah. Anyways, guys, good day. It was a really, really good day. If I find or figure out or remember anything that I want to share with you, I'll come back. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow for the final day. Oh, and a lady told me, she told me what thrift stores to hit while I am here. She says you got to go to these thrift stores while you're here. And she comes from, where does she come from? Bakersfield. Yeah, she goes to Europe even and stuff like that. It's crazy. She's got 2 houses. One house is her main house, and the other house is her warehouse. Literally her warehouse. And she does very fine, like, rare pieces, collectibles, and things like that. But she told me where to go, what thrifts to hit. All right, my friends, that's it. That's it. I will see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Open, and they said to bring sweaters. I've always felt like what one person feels about something, somebody else is not going to feel the same way. And I am headed to Zach Bagan's Haunted Museum. This Goodwill is huge. I mean, huge, guys. I lost my phone. You know, to come back and see this. And you know what he told me?